Hello, and I'm back again, and now we're going to make an envelope for our card. So all I've done is I took a 12 by 12 sheet of cardstock. Get my camera to focus. Not sure what's going on. Okay, there we go. 12 by 12 sheet of cardstock. Laid my card on it to see how big I needed it, and folded it. And folded it up, folded it down, like that. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do, because I want a notch, I'm going to take my hole punch, and you don't have to do this. If you don't have a hole punch, you do not have to have that. So I'm going to find the center. And I'm going to notch it right there. Next, I'm going to take my glue. And on this part, let me put some paper under it so we don't get glue all over. I'm going to take my glue and go down that side, and then again on this side. Oops. Helps to get it on the paper. My hands are not working too good today. Alrighty. I got glue on there, so I don't want to get it on my envelope on the other side. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to fold that back up and seal it down. Let me get my baby wipe and wipe my desk again. Get that glue off. Okay, now the next thing I will do, or you can do, is take your rounder and you can round these corners. I think I'm going to leave mine as is because I'm going to put some of this lace going straight across here like this, just like that. Okay, so let's measure our lace across, and right there we're going to cut. Just like that. And we're going to glue that on there. Okay, make sure we have the right side up. I want my tips just hanging over, just like that. And again, I'm going to wipe my desk because I do not want glue getting where it doesn't belong. Alrighty. And we will let that dry, and that is all it needs. Now we have an envelope for our card. And you could go on and you could add more and dress it up more, which I think I will. I think I'll add a little strip of this somewhere here. Maybe. Let's see. No. I don't know. You could add another applique onto your envelope if you wanted to, just like that. to dress it up even further. And that would be pretty. But I think I'm going to leave it as is. I think we have everything that we need on it. I think it's pretty like we have it, just like we have here. I think that's perfect, just like that. Sometimes simple is more. Less is more. So there we have our beautiful card and our beautiful envelope to go with it. So I thank y'all. God bless. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to see more videos and ding that bell to get notifications of my videos. So I thank y'all. God bless and have a good day. Bye-bye.